Hi, I'm Leah. Today I'm going to be showing you a single juggling ball routine. If you have juggling balls at home, that's awesome. You only need one. If you don't have juggling balls at home, if you have a tennis ball, maybe a stress ball, or oranges, anything that's about that size, you should be all set to use because it's only one. We're just going to do some basic moves. Just remember, style points definitely count, and I would love to see what you come up with. Send me a video as a response to this, and I'll check it out. All right, first thing we're gonna do is just a basic toss. Same hand, just nice and easy up and down. One feels good with that hand. Switch to your other hand. Now we're gonna toss our mountain for basic cascade. One hand to the other. Focus at the top of the mountain as you're tossing it back and forth. Once that feels good, we're gonna go back to up and down. But instead of catching it normally in our hand, we are gonna catch it on the back of our hand. Just gonna do a couple of these just to warm it up, see if it's something that feels good for you. Other side. Now we're going to do some under the arm. So we will toss it right through here. Next move, we are going to do behind our backs. Nice controlled tosses up to your shoulder. Next thing we're going to do is just under the leg. You can also do that from a kneeling position, either direction. Last one we're going to do is going to be a little toss up, and we're going to catch it on our back. Preferably about right here. Keeping a flat back is really important for this one. And now you're probably like, wow, Leah, that's a lot of cool things, but how do I make a routine with that? Write down each of those moves, put them all into a bowl, pick them out, make a new order with them, turn on a song, and just go through it. Try it out.